If you skip this ad, you will deny yourself the opportunity to benefit from my 25 years of being in the online trenches. So indulge me for the next minute or so, and I'm going to share with you in this very video. I don't need your email address. I'm not going to put you into a webinar. I'm going to share with you how I and thousands of my students work smart online and earn benefiting from affiliate programs. Now, these affiliate programs can be anything you want. It could be Amazon, Best Buy, Dick's Sporting Goods. But here's the way that you work smart, and this is why most people fail, because you have to stop selling. I'm going to share with you how to earn online without selling by offering value. So watch this. So here's one of my students, Becky's website. She has about 7 different niche sites. She started with me less than a month ago and has already made multi-thousands of dollars. Now, very important, it doesn't really matter what any of my students have done. It's what you can do with my free training and my turnkey system. So please indulge me for just a minute or so, and I will share with you what I'm talking about. So if you look at her site, she has an online recipe website. She has a fitness website, a home and garden website, a fitness website, a hair and makeup website, and 2 other websites. Now, how does Becky and my students actually make money? Well, they make money by working smart. What do I mean by that? Well, they're not selling information, they're offering value. Where do they get this value from? So I'm going to share with you how to ride the coattails on the 4 industry leaders of earning online. They are, in no particular order, the number 2 search engine, which is YouTube. I'm going to share with you how to benefit from YouTube, ride the coattails of Amazon, or any affiliate program. We're going to focus on Amazon today, and Facebook and WordPress, and my free training. Anybody can do this. I have a student of mine that next Thursday will turn 105 years old. She had no experience at all. Now, she only makes a couple $1,000s a month, which is probably not much to most of you, but she works 4 to 5 hours a week. She could not be happier. So let's go back to this for a second. So let's understand how Becky, now this is a very expensive, treadmills can be very expensive. So let's understand how Becky gets money for people buying things like treadmills or coffee, tea, snacks, beverages, shirts, iPhones, etc., etc. She does that by working smart. She doesn't post products on her social media. She posts videos. So as an example, if Becky wanted to post this on her social media, she'd simply click right here. Now, of course, I'm going to bring up my social media because I don't want, nor do I need, access to Becky's social media. Now, here's what I suggest you do. If you have 5 niche sites, then you want to have 5 different Facebook pages and 5 different Twitter accounts and 5 different Instagram. Now, for those of you that think that that's a hoop jump, you have to work smart. Don't have one website that sells baby clothes and treadmills and coffee. That's a recipe for disaster. So let's get back to this for a second. So what I would do, I'm not going to bore you with my typing skills because I type with 2 fingers. I would put this on your fitness website, if it's a fitness blog, if it's a fitness website. And then I would ask an engaging question. Hey, have you looked at any of these treadmills? Do you have a treadmill that you would recommend? Hashtag treadmill matters, or whatever you want to do. The idea here is that you're earning by not selling. I gave a lecture to about 2,800 marketers 4 summers ago in Phuket, Thailand. The first thing I said, I had about a 45-minute speech. The first thing I said when I took the stage was, stop selling. They looked at me like I was nuts. How do you make money if you don't sell? Well, nobody wants to be sold. We want to be offered value. So if you go back to Becky's website again, she has 7 different niche sites, but I want to focus on this one. So notice as I'm reading, if I want to watch the video, great. So when you basically post this link to your social media and they click on it, it doesn't take you to YouTube. It takes you back to your website. And that's how you get free traffic from your social media. Don't post salesy stuff. Now, I have back-end software that it automatically tags keywords. So it tagged the word treadmill, home gym, treadmill workout. I use a premium plugin that you'll have access to called Thirsty Affiliates Pro. So if I click on any of these hyperlinks, it's going to take me to different sections of, in this particular case, Amazon, and it's going to give the buyer the opportunity to buy something from Amazon or Walmart or Lululemon or whoever you're an affiliate of. Now, here's something I want to share with you that perhaps many of you don't know. Don't put every single thing from that store, whether it's Dick's Sporting Goods or Saks Fifth Avenue, don't clutter up your site with every single opportunity. Just put the best-selling information. Now, I don't want to turn this into a half-hour presentation. So click the banner ad here, go to my website, and I have a complete roadmap to making over $100,000 a year in the next 12 to 15 months. 100% free. I don't need your email address. I'm here to help you every step of the way. But I assure you, nothing will happen if you choose to do nothing. Thanks again for being here. My name is Robert Farrell. Carpe Diem 2020. Stay home, stay safe, and stay positive.